Alright, here we go. If this feels big to you on the video, it's because it is big. Oh, there's some kind of hatch there. What the heck is that all about?
Yeah, no, it will not go through. I can promise. You've got it. A lot of these injections, I still remember finger in the opening. No, they're all different.
When it was in the moorings rental program and the BBIs, whoever had chartered it for that week put her off on a reef. Hurricane Floyd came forward, they could get her off. Okay.
I wish.
One more to look at again.
There's very, very few of these folks made with not an add-on.
This is the refrigerator. Half refrigerator, and then this is a whole freezer. Okay.
Use interior space because the Geiger board's on. It's just going to take up a lot of material in it. So it's just like you don't have a dining room table out here, but you've got this unbelievable open floor plan into the rest of the building.
Mugabe.
I want a boat that we get to work on.
And why?
Because it'll just be more customized and more what we want.
And you'll have fun?
Exactly.
You'll help?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that's what we're interested in. Seaworthy, don't need super speed. We're not gonna race. Well, we're probably gonna race, but we don't mind losing.
I like it. I like it a lot. You know what is so funny? I don't want to take your shoes off to go inside. Here you take your shoes off to go outside. Your shoes on to go inside. Yeah.
Isn't that much better?
Yeah.
Over here, down.
Hi.
Loading dock. You gotta come down one.
Okay, sounds good. Cool. We'll be there in a sec. This is Badger's Den. But we never went through a gate.
I think we can make this look great. Definitely. A little elbow grease, which we're good at. What we're known for,
It's true.
right?
It's true. Buy low, sell
Buy
high.
something that's like, what are you thinking? And then go, oh, now I see what you were thinking.
Yes.
That's right. The one we're gonna look at, the one that's covered in burp. Looks like a Manta. We're looking at the one in the middle. Good morning. This is sea trial day. So we're here at the Fountaine Pajot that we put an offer in, and we're here with the selling yacht broker James and our surveyor who is Jeff. And we also have a couple guys that are hired by the owner to scrape the bottom and clean it up for us so that it runs nice for the sea trial. Weather's not super awesome right now, but hopefully the sun will come out later this afternoon. And yeah, pretty exciting morning! Anyway, you can see Brad and Jeff and Cole up on the deck there. And he's going to go over the boat with a fine-tooth comb. He's making verbal notes, taking photos. He's going to do a thermal imaging picture of the hull and the engine. and also oil analysis. So it's pretty thorough. It's going to take all day. At 12:30 we're going to go to the marina and have this big baby hauled out, which that'll be really interesting to see that. And we'll keep you posted on how things go today. Cross your fingers. We hope there's no big surprises here. We know there's a bit of work involved, and that's okay because we can make the boat our own. So let's go on board and see what we can listen to.